In this video, I'll be showing you how to install or how to download the Comet web browser onto your Windows PC or laptop. So you're going to open up Perplexity AI, and then from here, you're going to just ensure that you're logged in, and then you can go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Next, select the option Install Apps. Then from here, you're going to navigate to the section on the right hand side, and you can see it's being called Comet Browser. So you're going to scroll down and find the section Windows Download, and you're going to select Download. Then from here, all you now need to do is simply wait for the app package to be installed. Then you can go ahead and open it up on your computer. And then do give the necessary permissions if need be. And then from here, just select Start Install and wait for it to be successfully downloaded. Once it's been successfully downloaded, you should be able to log in and now start using the Comet web browser on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.